How to transfer data from Android to Mac. To transfer, you have to install a software. So first go to Google and search for Android file transfer. Now go to the first link p2sp.com and click on this link. Now scroll down and then click on download. Now it will be downloaded to our Mac and it's downloaded. Now just install this. And it's installed. Now let's find the software. Go to the all apps and there you go. Now let's open it. Now it say Android file transfer is an app and download from internet. So let's click on open and it's opened and no Android device found. Now you have to connect your USB Type-C to your phone to Mac. First connect your phone and then connect to your Mac. So this is the your USB Type-C. Let's connect first phone and then connect your Mac.